So guys, I have opened up this transformer case to see the transformer inside. You can see here. It was designed for here. This is a transformer. And I have noticed that is converted into DC direct current by those diodes. So not directly direct current, but just pulls at DC. You can see here by those rectifier diodes. 1N 4001 diodes. So they are good diodes. Just a second for focusing. You can see here. And I've noticed the problem that can occur here. Fortunately, is safe to remove and simple. This is a fuse. This black crap here is the fuse, thermal fuse that limits the transformer to give more current, because it will catch in fires, or sometimes doesn't catch fires if you use it for not that much current, but is overloaded. So always keep in mind. Let me open up to show you the fuse and how I can modify this to give me like that current here, 0.36 amps. So just a second. Before do that, I've tested the transformer. It didn't shows up the light indication, so surely the transformer is burned. I don't think the diodes are harmed. I think it's just the thermal fuse is burned because of heat, because it's around 38 milliamps, 0.38 amps. Sorry. So I just will open up to see the fuse, change the fuse, or modify the fuse to get high power. Just a second. So with a knife, we cut the tape here, tape glue. So guys, here you can see the fuse is 2 amps, 250 volts.